अरे साहब आ
अरे यार
गया आगे
जाम रे बताओ यार
Ananya, look here.
अनन्या अनन्या इकडे समोर अनन्या
Ananya, Ananya, look here.
एसीपी यहाँ पे
Ananya, just one more. Yes.
Ananya look here Ananya right side Ananya right side Ananya look here
What an entry, Ananya.
The star of the show has arrived.
Come, come, come.
How are you?
She looks like a diamond.
I know you look like a diamond. You want to say hello to everyone?
Hello,
Tell them your name.
my name is Amira Sharma.
Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Okay, go sit. We'll call you. Happy New Year, guys.
Thank you, Amira, for joining us and looking like a little Tanish diamond. So, I think, Ananya, let me first start with, I think, one question that everybody must be having in their minds. Why Tanishq?
Why Tanishq? Honestly, for me, it really is a dream come true. And I know that many people must be saying that or feeling that way, of course, because Tanishq is such an iconic brand. But genuinely for me, so this really happened, okay? In 2017, before I, did my first film, I'd made a list of the brands that I really want to work with and the films I really want to do. And it was just basically a manifestation. And I'd written it, and it was 2017, and I'd made a list of 10 brands, and of course, Tanishq was at the top of that list. And somewhere I'd put that diary away, and I kind of, how you put your old diaries away in one of my drawers, and I kind of forgot about it in a sense. And when I went back and I looked at that list, I wanted to see, did any of those come true? Did any actually happen? And then a year ago, I went through it and I saw Tanishq on that list, and I was like, okay, this is a dream. We have to make it happen. We have to make it happen. And then manifestations do come true. It did work out, and then we did a call with the brand, and I actually showed them that look in 2017. I had, written this list, and for me, it's genuinely such a big dream come true. And I love everything that Tanishq stands for. There have been so many iconic advertisements that y'all have done growing up. We've watched it. Y'all have been path breakers in that sense. And everything, just the representation of how the woman, it's woman forward, the modern woman, how she's constantly evolving, how she's so deep rooted in emotion, but still at the same time so independent. So just everything about Tanishq, I love. But I have a reverse Uno question for you. Why Ananya?
What women love the most, that is diamonds, and a range of them to choose from. I think my next question to you is, do you have any special moments, special experiences that you had while shooting of the film or otherwise that you'd like to share?
So for me, I loved the concept because, as women and as girls, whenever we're picking out jewelry, we actually feel like we're, a kid in a candy store. And actually, Amira shot before me on that day. She had already finished, doing those cute expressions she was making with the, with the bracelets and the rings and the necklaces, and she was playing around. And I hadn't seen her, what she had done before. And when I came on set, they were like, okay, you just have to kind of dance and let yourself go and be very free. Now, when someone tells you to be very free, you're automatically like, oh my God, what do I do? And as actors, we're used to getting steps and being choreographed. So I was very, very caught in my head, and I started overthinking every small thing. And I think that happens to us as we grow older. We kind of go into a little bit of a shell, and we start thinking about society and judgment and what people are going to think. And then I saw what Amira did, and I was like, okay, this is amazing. This is brilliant. I just have to do exactly what she's doing. The joy, the childlike energy, the wonder in her eyes, the little twinkle that she got, her silly expressions. I had to go back somewhere and, of course, do what Amira did, but also what, maybe a 6-year-old Ananya would do in that place. And it was a very, very sweet and special moment. And I love the last shot of the film where there's a mirror and I'm looking at myself, but myself is that 6-year-old girl. And I love the name of the campaign, which is Give Wings to the Girl Inside You. You know, that she's someone you should always keep alive, no matter what happens in life. So I just love the idea behind it.
So that's so lovely to hear. Amira, you want to come and say hello to everybody because Ananya's just called you both her choreographer as well as her director in some sense. That's Amira for you, the little girl from the film. Yeah.
मुझे शूट करके बहुत अच्छा लगा. मुझे वहाँ की टीम्स बहुत अच्छी लगी. वहाँ पे मुझे बहुत अच्छे सीन्स करने को मिले. आई लाइक इट.
You like it?
Yes.
We like you.
I like it. Jewelries.
Very nice. She's on the right path, guys.
She's obviously on the right path and we hear you. That was not, we didn't brief her, just for the record. Yeah. So absolutely, I think, Ananya, right? I mean, the choices that you're talking about, let me just put it out there because we came from one of our stores, right? And the number that we're really looking at from a choices perspective is actually almost 10,000 different kinds of pieces. And we're looking at it across price point, which was most exciting for me because I can pick up something that I want to wear every day. Something that I picked up, I think, in the Andheri store just yesterday, I think. Yeah, yesterday. And you could also pick up, for example, things that are something in a very acceptable, interesting, delightful price points of 2 to 5 lakhs, which you can use as occasion wear in the evening. I think what we would like to call out is what Ananya is wearing in the film, right? Which is a very new technique that we have. And for that, I'm just going to ask Garima to share a few words on what this technique is because it's truly very unique, which is diamond, and you see color in the product. Garima heads design for Tanishq. And she's obviously the brain and the heart behind everything that you see in our stores.
Thank you, Becky. So the piece that we actually did a collection for this special collaboration that we were going to have with Ananya. And the whole theme was Give Wings to the Girl Within. And if you see, the whole collection is inspired by very, very abstracted versions of feather and wings in motion, which is literally the wings. Sometimes your family, your friends, or you yourself as a woman find the freedom and the flight with it. So we have used a very special technique which gives a lovely pop of color, which is called Plicojour enamel. And it's like a translucent enamel, which is not completely opaque. And there is this, if you put it against the light, there is a bit of see-throughness. It gives that feeling of literally the lightweight feathers, right? And we've used that across in very interesting color palette of greens, blues, deep reds, and even some pastel blues. All the forms in the collection are really modern and really for the woman of today.
Lovely. Thank you, Garima. And after hearing from the design expert, I'm very tempted to ask from let me call you the styling expert for a little bit, Ananya, and do share some tips with all of us and how you think we could be using this season for, styling.
There's so many ways of, using natural diamonds, and I think that's the best part about the Festival of Diamonds is the choice. Over the next 3 months, I think we're going to see so much variety, over 10,000, kind of things to go through to, choose and put pieces together. For me personally, what I love the most about Tanishq, is that you can go from day to night very easily. I'm someone who is always on the go. I need to go from here to there and I don't have too much time to change all the time. So I love things that work well even for a brunch and then you can kind of go into it during the night as well. I love what we did with this collection with the mix of enamel and the play with color. I personally love stacking jewelry. I put like a lot of rings together. I love a ear cuff. When my day-to-day, I'm a little more minimal when it comes to my daily like jewelry styling. But I think at night, I like statement pieces. So I would love like how Tanishq, focuses, some of their pieces focus on really rare gemstones and then they make the piece around it, and every piece is different because every gemstone is different. You know, that's the beauty of it, that's the uniqueness of it. So I think during the evening, I would love to focus around a statement piece of the natural diamonds. My mom's jewelry box and my nani's jewelry box and my dadi's jewelry box, and I used to put everything together. And that's actually in the campaign, you know, and that's the joy of it, you know. Sometimes we think that this may not look good together, or it's not trendy, or it's not in fashion, but you know, fashion, and especially with jewelry and natural diamonds, there's so much joy and just discovery of it and putting things together and looking unique and different, and I think that's amazing. Yeah.
Lovely. Thank you so much for that, Ananya. And I think the message for all of you is give wings to the girl within. Go have a lot of fun with Tanishq Festival of Diamond. And once again, Ananya, we're so proud, so happy to have you on board as a part of the Tanishq family. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And smile. Okay, I'll be right for you.
Sorry? Now I would request Ms. Garima Maheshwari, Mr. Ram Prabhat Yadav and Suman Sridhar ji to please.